Welcome to Homeschool for American Adults. Hi, I'm Donna Marie. Today we will learn the PR sound. We will read words that begin with PR. Finally, we will read sentences with the words we practice. Let's learn the PR sound. Listen, I will say the PR sound 3 times. Ready? Let us begin. Purr, purr, purr. Now you say the purr sound with me. Ready? Let us begin. Purr, purr, purr. Great job. Let's read words with the PR sound, like prongs. This is the method that we will use to read our word list. First, we will say the PR sound. Next, we will read the rest of the word. And finally, we will read the whole word. Once we complete reading the word list in this manner, we will read the word list straight through without pausing. At the end of reading the word list without pausing, we will read sentences that contain the words we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Per, ank, prank. Per, ep, prep. Per, s, press. Per, ick, prick. Per, im, prim. Per, int, print. Per, prom. Per, prong. Per, op, prop. Per, upper, proper. Per, prompt. Great job. Now we will read the word list straight through without pausing. Ready? Let us begin. Prank, prep, press, prick, prim. Print, prom, prong, prop, proper, prompt. Great job. Now we will read sentences that contain the words that we practiced. Ready? Let us begin. Be careful or the needle will prick your finger. The actor held a prop on the stage. He played a funny prank on his friend. She will prep the food before cooking. Prep means to get ready. Let's read the sentence again, knowing what prep means. Ready? Let us begin. She will prep the food before cooking. Great job. Please print the paper for class. Press the button to start the game. The students danced at the prom. Prom is a school dance. The teacher gave a writing prompt. A prompt is an idea to help you write. I use prongs to pick up the ice cubes. She is very prim and proper at the dinner table. This means she has neat, polite manners. Great job. Congratulations, you made it to the end of lesson 13. Now I have an assignment for you to do. Your assignment is to take a few moments every day to review the lesson. If you find it difficult to do any part of this lesson, remember, you can always rewind this video and practice again. Never move on to the next lesson until you can do this lesson with ease. When you can do this lesson with ease, you are ready to move on to the next lesson. See you there. Now, we have reached the end of this session, but before you go, please, if you've experienced the joy of reading today, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you will know when a new lesson is uploaded. Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure teaching you. Bye-bye.